You might be wasting your time if you're doing this yourself. Do you have a lot to do on Saturday? Well, I can help you achieve those goals. If you work a full-time job, 40 hours a week, if not maybe a little bit more, last thing you want to do when you get home is get outside, get hot and sweaty, and work on your yard. For some, that might be your joy, but for others, you might want to, go out to dinner, see your friends, family. On the weekends, do other things, grill, whatever. And it's a pretty labor-intensive thing to, keep maintenance on the exterior home. And that's what we can help you with. We can alleviate that time crunch for you.